There's a stirring deep within me. Could it be my time has come? When I see my gracious Savior face to face, when all is done, is that His voice I am hearing? Come away, my precious one. Is He calling me? Is He calling me? I will rise up, then I'll bow down, and lay my crown at His wounded feet. There's a stirring deep within me.